you need to have 4 bank accounts. First one is for your essentials. Dito papasok yung income mo at saka yung mga essential expenses natin. Pangalawa is merong emergency fund worth 3 to 6 months to even 1 year worth of your expenses para just in case may masamang mangyari sa buhay natin, we are financially prepared to pay for all those things. Pangatlo, meron tayong investment fund. Kung may mga business opportunities or investment opportunities na darating, we are financially prepared to invest in those things. Tulad ng real estate, stock market, IPOs, REITs, crypto, etc. Pang-apat is the desire fund, yung mga gusto natin sa buhay. Tulad ng travel, bibili tayo ng mga mamahaling gamit like relo, bags, or anything na hindi natin kailangan. Gusto lang natin siya. In our case, yung essentials namin, nilalagay namin siya sa BDO. For emergencies naman, nilalagay namin siya sa mga digital savings account tulad ng Maribank, which was CBank dati, CIMB, Own Bank, Maya, GoTime. And the reason is, mataas kasi yung interest na binibigay nila compared to these conventional banks. We also have an investment fund. We put this in Union Bank. And we also consider our stock brokerage account as our investment account. Kasi nga, nakikita mo yung pera mo doon, tumataas ba yung value ng investment mo or bumababa, makikita rin natin kung magkano yung dividends na makukuha natin from our investments. And pang-apat is the desire fund. Nilalagay rin namin siya sa mga high yield savings account. Kung darating yung panahon na bibili kami ng mga products na gusto namin or kung magta-travel kami, at least merong a portion of it na nakuha namin yung panggastos doon galing lang sa interest.